In the last week, our international community has united in support of Ukraine.
For its people and its future as a sovereign nation.
Countries from all over the world, including Slovenia, have committed to help.
Each in different ways.
From diplomatic moves in the United Nations,
European Union, NATO and the G7
to condemn the invasion and bring it to a swift end.
Or providing support for refugees.
Imposing tough sanctions.
Or defensive supplies and training.
Some have sent food parcels.
And much more.
As diplomats, we have a part to play.
But all of us can help as private individuals too.
Anyone can donate to organizations in Slovenia
who are sending aid to Ukraine.
They are collecting money, clothing and more.
You could volunteer to help refugees.
Or donate directly to Ukrainian authorities.
And for those who can't make a donation, even symbolic gestures matter.
Millions of people are expressing their support for Ukraine.
It sends a powerful message.
So add your voice and declare.
Wir stehen an der Seite der Ukraine.
Stirižme in Ukraini.
Noi siamo con l'Ucraina.
我々はウクライナと共にある。
Podpiramo Ukrajino.
nous sommes aux côtés de l'Ukraine.
Ние сме с Украина.
We stand with Ukraine.
Не чендруємо, не Українам.
Szacunek on Ukraine.
Ukrainát.
With Ukraine.
Achter Oekraïne.
Z Ukrajiną.
With Ukraine.
Ukraine.
der Ukraine.
Z Ukraine.
Stojíme za Ukrajinou.
We stand with Ukraine.
Solidarni z Ukrajiną.
Stand with Ukraine. Підтримуй Україну. Нуді підпору Україні.
Podpiramo Ukrajino.